so nice. So many parents. I know. Wonderful. This is really nice.
Let's just give them another round of applause for our great One thing we didn't mention that the girls that are in the front row in their dresses, they made them in the sewing class this year. Sewing with everyone to make sure that these girls had dresses for today and that we laid it to the front. So give them another round of applause because they did it on their own. It was a great accomplishment.